Today, I'm excited to share the 5 best coffee machines that will help you make the perfect cappuccino right at home. Whether you're a beginner or a full-blown coffee enthusiast, these machines will elevate your morning routine and impress any guests you have over. And the best part? There's something for every budget and taste. Before we dive in, I want to mention that all the products in this video were chosen based on bestsellers from major online retailers and top-rated reviews. If you don't agree with any of our picks or have suggestions, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. And don't forget to check the links in the description below. You'll find more details about each machine and, who knows, maybe even some exclusive discounts. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First up, we have the Casa Brews Espresso Machine 20 Bar. This semi-automatic machine comes with a powerful 20-bar Italian pump, ensuring a rich aroma and deep flavor in every espresso shot. The built-in milk frother is perfect for creating that creamy microfoam, giving you barista-quality cappuccinos. It's compact and stylish, so it'll fit nicely in any kitchen, and the 34-ounce removable water tank makes refilling a breeze. Just keep in mind that you'll need to let it cool down after frothing to avoid overheating. This one's perfect for anyone looking for a solid espresso maker without taking up too much space or spending too much cash. Next, we've got the Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista. This is a 3-in-1 machine that lets you make espressos, cappuccinos, and lattes with ease. It's equipped with a 15-bar pressure pump for rich, flavorful espresso, and the automated milk frother does all the hard work for you. If you're new to the coffee game and want something simple, this is a fantastic choice, but be mindful of the plastic parts, which may wear out over time. Now, for those looking for something more advanced, check out the Jura E8 Automatic Coffee Center. This machine offers 17 programmed specialties, including cappuccinos, macchiatos, and flat whites. It also comes with a professional-grade aroma grinder, which preserves 12% more aroma in every cup. The pulse extraction process maximizes the flavor of short drinks like espresso, and the 2.8-inch color display makes it super easy to customize your drinks. If you're willing to invest a bit more, this is a great choice for anyone who wants variety and top-notch quality in their coffee-making experience. Up next is the Breville Bambino Plus. This machine shines with its quick heat-up time. Thanks to its thermojet system, it's ready to go in just 3 seconds. It also features low-pressure pre-infusion, which helps extract more balanced flavors. And the hands-free milk frother is perfect for those of you who love creating latte art. The downside is the smaller water tank, so you'll need to refill it more often. But if speed and convenience are key for you, this machine is a winner. Finally, we have the Breville Barista Express. This one is a coffee lover's dream, with an integrated grinder that grinds fresh coffee beans directly into the portafilter. It also features PID temperature control, which ensures the water is always at the perfect temperature for espresso. The manual milk frother lets you create velvety microfoam, giving you full control over your cappuccino's texture. It's a bit bulky, so make sure you have enough counter space. But if you love having complete control over your coffee, this machine is a fantastic option. So, there you have it. These are the 5 best coffee machines for making cappuccinos at home. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned coffee expert, one of these will definitely fit your needs. Now, all that's left is to pick the one that suits you best. Remember, you can find more details about each machine and some exclusive deals in the description below. If you already have one of these or have any suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coffee tips and tricks. Happy brewing, and I'll see you in the next video.